The central government told the Supreme Court that there were no migrant workers on the roads as of 11 a.m. Tuesday. This after the top court sought a status report on relief to migrant workers walking home in large numbers, desperate to reach native villages after being left without jobs or shelter because of the coronavirus lockdown. A religious gathering at a mosque in Delhi has been linked to 7 coronavirus deaths. 200 people with symptoms linked to COVID-19 are being tested. The Markaz Nizamuddin, the Delhi headquarters of the Tablighi Jamaat, was sealed and 850 people moved out in buses are quarantined in different parts of the city. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal yesterday ordered an FIR against the mosque administration over negligence that has endangered hundreds of lives as the members of this congregation are learnt to have dispersed across India. Reports quoting government sources say that as per policy guidelines of Indian visa issued by the GOI, preaching religious ideologies, making speeches in religious places, distribution of materials pertaining to religious ideologies is not allowed. So all foreigners who attended the Nizamuddin gathering may be barred. Meanwhile, New Delhi's Nizamuddin Markaz administration clarified that it had tried to comply with quarantine protocols and did not let the visitors violate the medical guidelines by thronging ISBTs or roaming on the streets. The number of coronavirus infections across Maharashtra rose to 230 today, with new cases in Mumbai, Pune and Buldhana. In Mumbai, the cases of people testing positive for coronavirus with no known link to a confirmed case is rising. According to BMC, at least 11 patients have no travel history or known contact with a confirmed case. The Punjab government has issued orders to the police to withdraw security to VIPs to ensure strict curfew amid the coronavirus outbreak. Chief Minister Amarinder Singh said the DGP was permitted to pull out any number of personnel from his personal security and deploy them in any manner as he deems fit for the COVID-19 crisis management. The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways stated that validity of fitness, permit of all types, driving license, registration or any other documents which have expired since 1st February 2020 or would expire by 30th June 2020 may be treated to be valid until 30th June this year. Congress leader Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary was seen giving a hand in preparing food and distributing it among the needy people at a community kitchen amid the coronavirus lockdown in Delhi. India is set to ramp up testing in 10 identified hotspots where unusual transmission has been detected. Of these, 2, Dilshad Garden and Nizamuddin, are in Delhi, the others being Noida, Meerut, Bhilwara, Ahmedabad, Kasaragod, Pathanamthitta, Mumbai and Pune. In the last 24 hours, 227 cases and 5 deaths were reported.